Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of verification code not sending on Indeed app. You will go to settings, Indeed job search. You click on settings, here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about the application of Indeed job search and you will click here. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.